create roles for your team members or chat operators. Very first thing you need to do is you need to go to workspace settings, and after that you need to go to roles and permissions. Now here click on add new user role. Now you can name your particular role possibly as manager, and then you can allow them access to various subsections or sub platforms. If you want to allow them access to VABA section or WhatsApp API section, then you can update the permissions from here. In the same way for the CRM and in the same way for the live chat. Now if you click this access in the live chat, that is the view permission, then they'll be able to access the live chat, and by default they'll only see all the chats which are assigned to them. They won't see unassigned chats or all chats. Only chats which are assigned to them would be visible to the chat operator or the team member if you give them permission. In case of particular chat, read, update and delete, and you don't give them the permission of identifier, then they won't be able to see the user's mobile number or email ID or the chat identifiers or the system identifier. So if you don't give permission of identifier, you can hide the customer mobile number from your chat operator. If you want to send chat operator name to your end customer, only then enable this. So whenever a chat operator is messaging to the customer, his name will get added automatically. Now if you want to give access to the chat operator to unassigned chats as well as all chats and all contacts, only then give them these permissions. If you don't give them these permissions, only chats assigned to your operator would be visible to them, and they won't be able to see all the contacts or all the chats. So for a manager level person, you can give them access to all contacts, unassigned chats, new as well as all chats which are unassigned as well as assigned. You can also give them access to automations builder or bot builder or e-commerce, various aspects based on your requirements or based on your understanding on which sections of the platform your particular team member should get access to. Then click on save.